Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very simple strategy for scalping on the 1 minute time frame on boom and crash. And with this strategy, you just get to take 5 candles. All right, I'll be showing you guys a very good method that you can use to take 5 candles without the fear of spike. All right, so before I do that, I want to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup as usual. Then I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so you first of all click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, you search for your moving average. Right now, this plus icon here, you have to click on it. You search for your moving average. Now these are the properties for the moving average. As you can see, the period is 20, shift is 0, method is exponential, so you choose the second one, you go back. Now the apply to is close, right? You choose the first one here, you go back. Now the level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style, under the style, you make the color for the style blue. Then the pixel, you make the pixel 3, right? You set it to 3 pixel, and after that you click on done. All right, you are done with the moving average. Now the next indicator we have here is the awesome oscillator. Is the next indicator we have here. All right, so you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your awesome oscillator. All right, and now these are the properties for the awesome oscillator. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. All right, now just for the awesome oscillator, you are going to use the default setting. All right, the only thing you change is to make the pixel 3 pixel. All right, you make it 3 pixel for the volume up. All right, so if you make the volume up 3 pixel, it's going to reflect for the both side. All right, so after that you click on done. After you add the awesome oscillator, you are going to have the indicator window one being formed. So you click on this second plus icon here, you search for your relative strength index. Right now, these are the properties for the relative strength index. The period is 1, apply to is close. The level is 85 and 15, color red, 4 pixel, you click on done. Time frame is all time frame. Under the style, you make it the color of your background. I'm using black background here, so that's why you see I use color black. So if you are using a white background, you make the color white. After that, you click on done. Right, so once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. Okay, now before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you have been blowing your account and you are looking for strategy here and there to grow your small account, then you should come get this strategy I'm talking about. It's a VIP strategy designed for growing small account. Okay, so even if you're a beginner, you can use the strategy I'm talking about. Okay, so make sure, so if you're interested, you message me. All right, you check the description of this video, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how the strategy works. Okay, so that is that about that. All right, now back to the strategy here. Now, how does this strategy work? As you can see, it's not that hard. All right, the strategy is very simple. The first condition is that you want to take note of this indicator window here. Once there's a spike in the market, immediately there's a spike, you're going to see the awesome oscillator giving you this green line here. Right, there's going to, the line is going to be facing up. All right, and it's going to come green. All right, so now you are going to wait for the line. All right, so but when the line comes, you make sure it's at the overbought level. All right, when this green line here is facing up, make sure that the line is touching the 15, is at the overbought level, which is the 15 level here. All right, so once So once you start coming down and you see that line is changing to red, all right, that's when you start taking note of the indicator. All right, so now this is what will give you your entry condition. First of all, immediately you see that the green line changes to immediately you see that the green light changes to red. Immediately it changes to red, you go in immediately, you pick two candles. All right, you pick two candles from this area here. Immediately it changes to green. So immediately the two candles finishes, you exit the market. Now this is a second opportunity around this area. All right, so immediately you see that it crosses the blue line here, this blue line here. You have to go in for 3 candles. All right, you go in, you hold for 3 candles. These are the openings you need to use to take your entry. Immediately it changes to red, you pick 2 candles. Immediately it crosses this blue line here, you pick 3 candles. That's the total of 5 candles. All right, and this is how you have to do it continuously every time the condition is met. All right, so you can see around this area here, you can see the condition was met. So immediately it changes to red, you go in for 2 candles. Immediately it crosses the blue line, you pick your 3 candles, you exit the market. All right, so whenever this condition is being met, you'll be able to pick 5 candles from the market. All right, so you can see condition was met here. All right, you'll be able to pick your 2 candles around this area here, and immediately you can see that the blue line, the price, the candlestick crosses below our blue line here on the main chart. You'll be able to take your 3 candles again, and then you exit the market. So let's go back again and see. So the condition was met here again. It was green, changes to red. All right, you pick at this area here. Once you are able to get your 3 candles, all right, you'll be able to take the 5 candles all together. Immediately it reach, you pick 2 candles. Immediately it crosses the blue line, you pick 3 candles, and you are good to go. Okay, so as you can see, this is how the strategy work. This is basically how the strategy work. So make sure you back test it yourself, practice with it for like a week or 2, confirm by yourself that the strategy is working before you use it. Okay, so make sure that you implement all the rules I've just listed in this video and put the strategy to practice for like a week or 2 to confirm for yourself if it's working. All right, so once you have confirmed and you know that the strategy is working for you, then you start you deposit your money and start trading with the strategy. You make money consistently by repeating everything I've explained in the video. Okay, so just test the strategy out and come back to give me the outcome. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. For those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Make sure to check it out. I drop free signals on daily basis, all right, and also forex trading tips that will help you grow your small account. Okay, so if this is what interests you, then you should join the family. Okay, so I think that's going to be all, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.